you're not using a muffin tin, which is an awesome way to do it, I love the muffin tin actually, but if you're not, I recommend you use a cast iron pan. Now, the reason for that is cast iron pans are naturally non-stick and they heat so evenly. They're just really good for egg cooking. Now, yeah, naturally non-stick and heat very evenly. I thought I was going to be able to get this into 9, but I definitely need at least one more, maybe 2. Maybe 2. Now, my other tip is to do with cooking. So I find that the most common mistake people make with frittata is that they overcook it. Now, frittata should be, you know what, it's 12 on the dot, ladies. Frittata should be really custardy and tender and soft. It shouldn't be like really firm and rubbery. So in my opinion, a really good frittata is one that you take out of the oven 5 minutes before it's done or right before it is set, because your frittata will finish cooking outside of the oven. It's called carryover cooking. So I like to take my frittata out about 5 minutes before it's supposed to be done and just let it rest. And I find that it really does finish cooking on top of the stove. And then I don't get like a dry, hard, sad frittata. So that's another really good tip. And then the other one you saw me do a second ago here, I really recommend that you season your eggs before you pour it into your pan or your muffin tin. Now, I've seen a lot of people just put a little bit of salt and pepper on top. It does not cut it, So you really need to beat the seasoning into the frittata in order to get an excellent flavor.